Legal dictation for Patna High Court. Ready? Start. Heard Sri Lal Chand Mishra, Learned Counsel for the applicants, and Miss Susma Soni, Learned Additional Government Advocate for the State Opposite Party number 1, full stop, para. The present application under section 482 CRPC has been filed seeking to quash the entire proceedings of complaint case number 13 of 2019. Kamaram Naresh alias Naresh versus Pinkal Singh alias Raghvendra Singh and others under sections 504, 506 IPC and 31 Gha SC/ST Act PS Kotwali Dehat, District Mirzapur, and also to quash the summoning order dated 15/2/2021 passed by the Special Judge SC/ST Act Mirzapur, full stop, para. Learned Counsel for the applicants has drawn attention to the complaint dated 4/7/2018 and the statements recorded under section 200 and 202 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, and has sought quashing of the summoning order and the entire proceedings by referring to the factual aspects of the case and the defense which is sought to be set up on behalf of the applicants, full stop, para. Learned Additional Government Advocate submits that the contention which is sought to be raised would require appreciation of evidence and entering into the disputed questions of fact, which would be beyond the scope and the purview of powers to be exercised under section 482 of the code at this stage of the proceedings, full stop. It is also pointed out that the statement of the complainant under section 200 and of the witnesses under section 202 having supported the allegations made in the complaint, the order passed by the magistrate directing issuance of summons cannot be faulted with, full stop, para. Learned Counsel for the applicants has not been able to point out any inconsistency between the allegations made in the complaint and the statement of the complainant recorded under section 200 of the code, full stop. The statements of the witnesses recorded under section 202 of the code during the course of inquiry made by the magistrate have also not been shown to be inconsistent with the allegations made in the complaint, full stop, para. The Special Judge SC/ST Act Mirzapur, upon a consideration of the facts stated in the complaint and the statement of the complainant recorded under section 200 and also the statement of the witnesses recorded during the course of inquiry under section 202 of the code, has drawn a conclusion with regard to existence of a prima facie case for proceeding against the accused applicants and accordingly has directed issuance of summons, full stop, para. The procedure to be followed by the magistrate upon taking cognizance of an offence is provided under chapter 14 of the code, full stop. The provisions contained under section 200, 202 and 204 would be required to be adverted to for the purpose, full stop, para. Section 200 provides that the magistrate taking cognizance of an offence on a complaint shall examine upon oath the complainant and the witnesses present, if any, and that the substance of such examination shall be reduced to writing and shall be signed by the complainant and the witnesses and also by the magistrate. Full stop. Stop.